हेलो एवरीवन। तो चलिए हम लोग बायोलॉजी का एमसीक्यूज कर लेते हैं बीपीएससी के लिए। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉमन टू बोथ साइक्लिक एंड नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन। ऑप्शंस है इवोल्यूशन ऑफ O2, रिडक्शन ऑफ NADP, ATP सिंथेसिस, फोटोलाइसिस ऑफ वाटर। तो हमारा जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ATP सिंथेसिस। ATP इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन बोथ साइक्लिक एंड नॉन साइक्लिक photophosphorylation, whereas O2 evolution and NADPH formation occur only in non-cyclic. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन है, स्टेम सेल obtained from early embryos are called adult stem cell, totipotent stem cell, embryonic stem cell, hematopoietic stem cell. तो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी एम्ब्रायोनिक स्टेम सेल्स। और ये जो होता है वो किसी भी ऑलमोस्ट ऑल बॉडीज़ में डिफ्रेंशिएट हो सकता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच प्लांट हार्मोन इज कॉमर्शियली यूज टू इंड्यूस पार्थेनोकार्पी। ऑप्शंस आर ABA, ऑक्सीन, इथिलीन, साइटोकाइनिन। राइट आंसर इज ऑक्सीन। ऑक्सीन स्टिमुलेट फ्रूट डेवलपमेंट विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन, प्रोड्यूसिंग सीडलेस fruits. Next question is, wilting of plants under water stress is primarily due to. Options हैं increased photosynthesis, loss of cell turgidity, increased transpiration rate, root elongation. Correct answer is loss of cell turgidity. Water deficiency reduces turgor pressure, causing leaves and stems to droop. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डिफिशियंसी ऑफ बोरोन प्राइमरली अफेक्ट्स। ऑप्शंस हैं क्लोरोफिल फॉर्मेशन, मेरिस्टेमेटिक ग्रोथ, रेस्पायरेशन, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज मेरिस्टेमेटिक ग्रोथ। बोरोन जो होता है दैट इज एसेंशियल फॉर सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ एपिकल मेरिस्टम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वेलिमेंट टिश्यू इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ। ऑप्शंस आर हाइड्रोफाइट्स, मैंग्रोव, एपीफाइटिक ऑर्किड्स, डेजर्ट प्लांट्स। So the correct answer is epiphytic orchids. Next question is, which kingdom contains organisms having both plant-like and animal-like characteristics? Options are Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi. So the correct answer is Protista. And here explanation में लिखा हुआ है, Euglena exhibit both photosynthetic and heterotrophic nutrition. Next question is, double fertilization is a unique feature of. Options are gymnosperm, bryophytes, angiosperms, pteridophytes. So the correct answer is angiosperms. One male gamete fuses with egg while the other forms endosperm by triple fusion. Next question is, which gymnosperm is known as a living fossil? Options are Cycas, Pinus, Ginkgo, Cedrus. So the correct answer is Ginkgo biloba. Next question, the notochord persists throughout life in. Options are frog, human, Amphioxus, pigeon. So the correct answer is Amphioxus. Next question, which vertebrate class possesses a three-chambered heart with an incomplete double circulation? Options are Pisces, Amphibia, Apes, Mammalia. So the correct answer is Amphibia. Next question, a cross between AABB and AABB produces offspring in which ratio? Options are 3:1, 9:3:3:1, 1:2:1, 15:1. So the correct answer is 9:3:3:1. This is a classical dihybrid cross ratio predicted by Mendel. So ये genetics में cross breeding का question है. Next question is, the phenomenon where one gene masks the expression of another non-allelic gene is. Options are linkage, codominance, epistasis, crossing over. So the correct answer is epistasis. Epistasis involves interaction between genes at different loci. Next question is, Down syndrome is caused by. Options are trisomy 21, trisomy 18, monosomy X, trisomy 13. So the correct answer is trisomy 21. Presence of an extra chromosome 21 causes Down syndrome. Next question is, DNA replication is described as. Options are Next question, which RNA carries amino acid to ribosomes? Options are mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, snRNA. So the correct answer is tRNA. Transfer RNA transports specific amino acids during protein synthesis. Next question is, the peptide bond is formed between. Options are 2 fatty acids, 2 nucleotides, 2 amino acid, 2 sugar. And the correct answer is 2 amino acid. Next question, which polysaccharide is primarily storage carbohydrate in plants? So and our options are glycogen, cellulose, starch, chitin. And the correct answer is starch. Plants store excess glucose as starch. Next question, according to the Lindemann's 10% rule, if producers contain 20,000 kilocalorie energy, secondary consumer will receive approximately, and our options are 2000 kilocalories, 200 kilocalories, 20 kilocalories and 20,000 kilocalories. So the correct answer is 200 kilocalories. Okay. Next is, which kingdom includes slime molds? Options are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and the correct answer is Protista. Slime mold is under Protista. Next question is, lichen represent? Options are mutualism, commensalism, predation, competition. Correct answer is mutualism. Algae provide food while fungi offer shelter and moisture. Next question, which process returns carbon directly to atmosphere? Options are photosynthesis, respiration, nitrogen fixation, assimilation. And the correct answer is respiration. Respiration releases CO2 back into our atmosphere. Next question is, which bacterium converts nitrite into nitrate? Options are Rhizobium, Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, Azospirillum. And the correct answer is Nitrobacter. Next question is, denitrification is mainly carried out by. Options are Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, Pseudomonas, Rhizobium, and the correct answer is Pseudomonas. Next question, the first genetically engineered human hormone project commercially was. Options are insulin, thyroxine, growth hormone, adrenaline, and the correct answer will be insulin. Okay. The TI plasmid used in genetic engineering is obtained from. Options are E. coli, Bacillus thuringiensis, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Rhizobium, and the correct answer is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Next question, which type of stem cell can form an entire organism? Options are multipotent, pluripotent, totipotent, unipotent. So the correct answer is totipotent, because this possesses the highest differentiation potential. Next question, the vaccine containing weakened but living pathogen is. Options are inactivated vaccine, live attenuated vaccine, subunit vaccine, mRNA vaccine. So the correct answer is live attenuated vaccine, and this provides long lasting immunity. Next question is, CRISPR-Cas9 technology is primarily used for. Options are cloning, vaccine production, gene editing, hybridization, and the correct answer is gene editing. This is the last question. Which scientist is known as father of genetics? It is the easiest one. I don't think we need the options for this. The correct answer is Mendel, Gregor Mendel. Thank you. I hope this is helpful.